let f is the function whose domain is -2 to 2, 2 comma 2, okay, and then whose range is up to all real numbers, okay. Then this is defined as x gif of x from -2 if x is between -2 to 0, and it is equal to x minus 1 into step of x if it is between 0 and 2. X is between 0 and 2. If m and n are points in -2 comma 2 where absolute f of x is not continuous and not differentiable. So that means m is number of points where it is not continuous, n is number of points where it is not differentiable. Then what is the value of m plus n? Because this is a very good problem to solve using graphs. Okay, using graph by drawing the graph you can solve it very easily. It is not complicated. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first understand the f of x in the each range. Okay, we can extend it and extend the ranges actually. You can change the ranges and make it a simple polynomial function. Okay, how we can do this is f of x, which is x gif of x in -2 and 0, right? So we can call it, if x is between -2 and -1, then gif of x is nothing but uh, uh, gif of x is nothing but -2, correct? Between -2 and -1, this gif of x is nothing but -2 because it is x is less than -1, right? So that means it is -2 into x, -2x. Okay, now similarly between -1 and 0, and x is less than 0 here, okay, not equal to. So here this is nothing but -1. So -1 into x, which is -x. And between 0 and 1, I should take then this definition, right? Between 0 and 1 and x is less than 1, correct? Not equal to 1 here. X is less than 1. Between 0 and 1, I would say this is 0. Step is 0. So this is nothing but 0. Okay. And between 1 and 2, and where x is less than 2, this definition is nothing but step gif of x is 1, correct? Between 1 and 2. So this will become x minus 1. So now this is my function. If you see, each term is a very simple polynomial. Okay, so you can draw the rough graph very easily. Okay, and we can draw the graph for absolute f of x directly. We don't need to draw f of x and then make it absolute. Okay, in fact, if you see, if you draw it, you will understand. You will actually get only positive values all are. Okay, so first is -2x between -2 to -1. That means if you draw the y range is y is equal to f of x equal to 4 to 2, correct? There is a line from 4 to 2 like this, 4 to 2. Okay, where x is from -2 to -1. If it is -2 to -1, it is from 4 to 2. And then if x is -1 to 0, that is here in this range, it is -x, means minus x is, if I substitute, I'll get 1 to 0, correct? So 1 to 0, there is another line, 1 to 0. And then 0 to 1, it is 0. So I am drawing a line here, 0 to 1. And then 1 to 2, it is x minus 1. So it will become 0 to 1. 0 to 1 like this. Okay, and all are positive values, so it is same as f of x is same as absolute f of x, which is both are same actually. Okay, now once you know this graph, it is very easy to understand continuity and differentiability. Okay, tell me, when you draw this line, where you will jump? Only one point, that is 2 to 1, that is at -1, x equal to -1, I will jump. So m is equal to 1, correct? Discontinuity, point of discontinuity is only one place, that is at x equal to 1, x equal to -1. Okay, so you have discontinuity at x equal to -1, which is implies m is equal to 1. And then how many places you have sharp edges? One is here at -1, second is here at 0, third is at 1. Three differentiable points where it is not differentiable. So n is equal to 3. Three sharp edges you have. So these 3 points are the non-differentiable points. So n is equal to 3. So m plus n is equal to 4. That's the answer. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.